delivering an amazing piece of artwork. A welding student at May River High School welded River Ridge Academy's crest for the school to display.
This is just what I like to do. It's what I've done all this year. I've been kind of the project guy in the shop this year. I made literally this sign to right now I'm working on a grill. That's just what I enjoy to do and what I hope to be able to do in the future.
At River Ridge Academy, we are a direct feeder for May River High School, and so one of the opportunities that our students have is to be a part of their welding program. And so having this piece of artwork in our building will really allow us to show our current students when they go to May River, this is something that you can be involved in, and this is something that you could accomplish one day.
The crest will be installed in the main entrance of the school for all to see.
Oh, it's awesome. Chase did a phenomenal job in working on this project. I think a lot of people might think of the welding program, maybe one day you'll go off and you'll just work on a construction site and you'll be welding girders. But that's not necessarily true. There's a whole artistic side to being in the welding program. I think this really highlights that in his ability.
Last month the sparks were flying as Chase put the finishing touches on the project back in the welding class at May River High School.
Everything that you see on the sign is CNC cut out on the plasma table. And then once we get those pieces, then we can layer them by either drilling holes and filling the holes with weld, or just adding weld to layer it up and make it pop, as you can see with the palm trees and everything like that, to make it kind of stand up.
Chase hopes when students see the sign, it might motivate them to think about a career in the welding field.
When I got into welding, I got inspired by a kid named Bo who made really cool things, and that's how I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do in welding. That's how I got into it. So I'm hoping some kids will see this and go, hey, I want to do welding. I want to fabricate. I want to be able to make something so one day I can come back and something of mine sitting in a school.
The crest took about a month to create. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So how are these mounted on there?